Pakistan, Dr. Imtiaz Ahmed, respected rector, provost, deans, directors of the schools and institutes, chairman of the university departments, heads of the management offices, professors, faculty members, distinguished guests, our corporate partners, proud parents, and our dear graduates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to UMT's 28th convocation. Today's convocation is not just an academic ceremony. It is a celebration of dreams fulfilled. UMT stands here today because we believe in the power of our youth. We know that they carry in them a greatness that can change the fate of this country. You, our graduates, come from every corner of Pakistan and 20 other countries of the world. From bustling cities to quiet villages, from affluent, privileged backgrounds to unimaginable hardships. Yet you stand here today united. You stand here today united by ambition, united by resilience, and united by the drive to create a better tomorrow. Our youth, especially our young women, continue to break barriers every day. You challenge norms and rise with courage. Your journeys remind us that true leadership is not defined by titles, circumstances, legacy, but by courage, by character, by conviction, and the unwavering desire to uplift yourself and others. Today we honor your strength, your sacrifices, and the extraordinary determination with which you've reached this moment. Dear graduates, this convocation is a testament to your families also. Your parents who worked tirelessly, the mothers who prayed, the fathers who sacrificed, and the siblings who disturbed you during your studies. We acknowledge them all, and especially the teachers who guide each one of you with patience, selflessness, and faith. Today is not just a milestone for our graduates, it is a reminder for all of us that the real strength of this country, as I said before, lies in its youth. And we are confident that Pakistan's next generation is ready to take it forward. Dear graduates, my message to all of you is, if you want true success, live your life not just for your own self, but for others. किसी के ज़ख्म पर मरहम रखो तो जान लो ये भी इबादत है. किसी के ज़ख्म पर मरहम रखो तो जान लो ये भी इबादत है. जो दर्द बांटते फिरते हैं वो लोग ख़ास होते हैं. A life is truly worth living only when it is lived for others. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, said, whoever relieves a believer of difficulty, Allah will relieve him of his difficulties. Whoever relieves a believer of difficulty, Allah will relieve him of his difficulties. So shape not just your own lives, but shape lives of the people around you. Knowledge and education will build your career, but character, your conduct, your compassion, your generosity, your empathy will make you reside in the hearts of people for all times to come. Dear graduates, out of all those around you, first and foremost, try to pay back your parents' love and affection. Honor them, respect them, value them, and care for them with the deepest of sincerity. Never let them down no matter what. Shower them with endless love and respect. Remember always, only strong families create strong societies. Dear future leaders, you also carry the hopes of this great country. Hold the flag high with dignity. Pakistan is undoubtedly the greatest nation on planet Earth. You must believe, you must have the strongest of belief in this idea. Pakistan is undoubtedly the greatest nation on planet Earth. Here you can achieve whatever you want to. Here you can become whatever you wish for. Do not buy hopelessness. In the words of my late father, even sky is not the limit here. And he also used to say, you need to have big dreams. You need to have big dreams. You need to have dreams that none has ever seen till now. And now, in the words of Iqbal, Iqbal says, कोई काबिल हो तो हम शाले कई देते हैं, ढूंढने वालों को दुनिया वो नहीं देते हैं. So don't be afraid of dreaming. Don't be afraid of dreaming. Start building your future. Start leading. Start serving. Start believing in the greatness of Allah and your great destiny that is in front of you. Allow me to share something personal with you. I first stepped into a leadership role at the age of 26. That is when I lost my real father. Entrusted with the responsibility of 100,000 youth all across Pakistan. I never ever had a moment of self-doubt whether I could shoulder such a responsibility. Quitting would have been the easier choice. It's very easy to quit, but I learned something early in life. You never grow into success. You never grow into success. No matter what is given to you, you grow into success because of tireless, passionate, hard work. Tireless, passionate, hard work. Every challenge that may feel heavy becomes a source of strength. With the grace of Allah, we rose to the #1 private sector university in Pakistan